This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles. I'm on Unit 3 Intro to Programming, Lesson 7 APIs and Function Parameters, Part 12, Multiple Choice. What is a function parameter? This could be tricky. A parameter, a measure of distance between a function's conception and implementation. Let's see what else. A way to give input to a function that controls how the function runs. Another name for the purpose of a function. A name for a memory location. A collection of commands that can be used in a programming language. Okay. Well, let's think about this. Is a parameter a command? Right? So when you put a parameter into something, for example, the number 50 in the draw forward function, or the draw forward, move forward method, is that a command? Is the number in the parentheses the command? No, it's just telling it a number, right? It's not actually asking the computer to do something specific. The function grabs that number and then decides this is how far I'm going. The function is what's doing the doing there. Okay? A named memory location? No, that's not what we mean with parameter. Nope. It's tied to functions more closely. Another name for a function? Nope, it's not. It's part of a function. The function uses it, but it's certainly not the name of a function. A way to give input to a function that controls how the function runs. So if you want to tell something to go forward by 50, right, you're going to use the move forward function. What could you do? You could use a parameter, just like we do now. Or if you want to say turn right 90 degrees, what could you do? Parameter, right? So a parameter is what a function uses as a variable when it runs. If we want to tell it something, that's a parameter. So yeah, it controls how the function runs in a way. Let's give that a shot. We did it! Onward.